Okay, hey y'all. So you got to excuse my air conditioning in the back. I can't turn it off or it's gonna get too hot up here. Regardless, y'all, it's a new vlog. As y'all could tell by the title, we are going to the Alex Isley concert this weekend and spending time with some family and friends. And I'm just so excited. We always got a night on the town when, you know, I'm getting all dolled up. Came on here right now because I have to get my nails redone. This is what my nails look like right now. I don't know if I got these done with y'all or not. I might have, but yeah, they're grown out as you can see. And this nail is kind of coming up at the side, so I'm really trying to see if I want to get them taken off and redone completely. But we just gonna have to see when I get to the nail shop. I didn't tell Lana I was coming, so I need to tell her I'm coming. Perfect. Can you let her know I'm gonna come for a fill on my nails at 5? These the nails I'm finna get, y'all. Ain't they so fat? These is so cute, y'all. Finna leave. Alright. Come on, Wayne.
Three days later.
And y'all knew your daughter was messed up.
They was letting her act like that.
Yeah.
That court, he was smiling and shit in the court. Like, what's your problem? Literally. If I want you
selling that shit every day. She was selling that shit.
It's the sun, summer's outside, that's why we're dancing. Living when we lost, baby. Somewhere else, don't wanna be nowhere else. I got it all right here. That's my obsession with you. Always feels brand new. There ain't nothing better now. Maybe something better now.
Yeah.
You better walk up in this bitch. Come on, baby.
Yeah, I don't really count this as an attraction. I mean, it just is what it is.
The next day.
Guys, we are on the way to Blue Sushi Sock Grill, our favorite place. And I'm just so excited to eat. And I'm excited to see Alex Isley a little bit. Not as much as I was, but still a little bit.
Okay.
Guys, we're in Blue Sushi. I got, what's this name?
I think it's like Tokyo something.
Tokyo Fizz. It's a Tokyo Fizz, like an off-brand lychee, but it's really good.
I got a raspberry mojito.
Yeah, we're on our first drink. Our goal is to have 3. We also got crab ragoon and edamame, but we're basically finished with all of the appetizer things. Yeah, the crab ragoon was super ragoony today. I don't know, that it's super cream cheesy. It doesn't usually taste like this. I think they just filled it with a lot. But Naya put some eel sauce on it. It was really good. Guys, our sushi just came. This is Hotel Cali. This is a Hawaiian roll. Come on, I'm ready to eat. I should have got the kid thing. I always take this out of it. Oh. The Hawaiian roll is so good. I just wish it didn't have a mango in there.
I love it.
It's so good though.
But I know what you mean, like the sense of that taste becoming so strong over everything else.
Yeah, like I'm chewing the mango, but I'm really just trying to get my salmon going.
Oh, smooth ass. Good. This is my first time on meal. Yeah, I like that.
Third drink of the day. We should have stopped at 2.
Several days later.
I never came on here to properly introduce the vlog or anything. Like, I just started recording stuff. So here I am trying to properly introduce y'all to the vlog that's already going. Oh, basically, y'all, this vlog is summertime in Chicago. Summertime shy. If y'all are from Chicago or whatever, y'all know we got some of the best summers. My friends are coming over for the weekend. We got a pretty jam-packed day. Y'all gonna see it all. It's just like when you busy living in the moment and stuff, sometimes you don't have time to pick up the camera and record. But I'ma still try to get as much footage and clips and stuff as I possibly can for y'all. Cause yeah, this is what the summer is all about out here. Guys, my friends are here and we're about to go have a grand old wonderful time.
We ain't even done ready.
Yeah, like, he walked out the door.
5 minutes. Get that little shit out of here. Nigga. What the fuck is you talking about? Look at y'all looking ass niggas. Stop looking at my ass niggas. I ain't got a check for y'all, but if I'm a check for y'all, I'ma need a check for y'all niggas. I would never lie, even if that nigga flew me and my bitches on the way out to Dubai.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Did y'all play? No. How you walk out the club? Nino.
So then what we gonna do in the meantime?
Drink that cut?
Damn, see, you all look like, yeah. You thought you were done, huh? No. Not done.
The next day.
It's really good.
Thank you.
Ooh.
I really like it. Ooh, it tastes like a sherbet.
Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, I guess.
That's what I'm saying.
Always somebody fucking eats.
We got a seafood tower and it got infused sauce. Hey.
Hey girl, hey girl. It's many days later after you guys have seen me. It is Wednesday, June the 17th. It is a few days before Juneteenth, and my nails are not cute, so I have to go get them redone. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are also not cute, so I have to go get them done. And I also need to go to the store to get my bearded dragon some more food. She eats so much. It's almost like feeding a human, and she costs so much money, y'all. If you're gonna get a bearded dragon, just be mindful that when they're adult bearded dragons, they cost the same amount as having like a little puppy or something like that. It costs so much to take care of these things, I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to go and see my nail tech. Oh, and I also have stuff to drop off at Depop. I also have stuff to drop off at the post office for Depop. Okay, y'all, we made it to the post office. 2 things to drop off. Let's go up in here. So I've never been in this one. I'm gonna use these bill. This, the medium.
I'm trying to connect to your internet to get. We don't have internet. You have a QR code? It's
I'm gonna just fold this and have kind of.
Let me clear it.
Okay, y'all, so here's my eyebrows after. That hair in my eye. I'm just so excited and so happy I found a new eyebrow lady. Like, my other eyebrow lady, she left and she went back to her country, y'all. But now I just feel so happy, so blessed. Naya always finds the best spots for us to go to, and she just did such a good job. Like, I feel like I like my face so much more now. I didn't like my hair at first, but now, yeah, now I am ready for Juneteenth and all that. It rained all day today, y'all, and I was debating if I was gonna come outside because of the rain. But my bearded dragon, like I said, she doesn't have any food. I'm gonna have to give her some like lettuce and stuff until I can get to the store tomorrow. I hate that because she's a grown ass adult and she literally needs to eat her worms and stuff to keep growing. I'm on the way home now because, as y'all just seen, I couldn't go get Daisy her worms. So I'm gonna see, maybe I can DoorDash something like that